Let's talk about one of the biggest challenges for retirees. How do you turn the asset you've worked your whole life for, your home, into something that actually supports you financially for the rest of your life, completely tax-free? We're going to break down exactly how that can work. Think about that for a second. This question really hits home for a lot of people. You might be what they call house rich, sitting on a mountain of equity, but you're cash poor. That money is just trapped inside the walls of your house, not doing a thing for you.
And this is a huge problem, right? When you look at the numbers, the gap between what people have coming in during retirement and what they actually need to spend each month is, well, it's big. We're talking a shortfall of almost $4,000. That can be incredibly stressful.
So while you're staring at this gap in your budget, the biggest chunk of your net worth is just sitting there. It's not growing, it's not paying you dividends, you can't use it to pay for groceries or go on a vacation. It's essentially your most underperforming asset. But what if that didn't have to be the case? This is the question that can completely change the game for your retirement. What if you could take that sleeping giant of an asset and put it into a system that's designed for safe growth, protection, and, most importantly, tax-free income? Let's dive into how it's done. All right, so how do we do this? The strategy we're looking at is a really smart, methodical approach called the 4-year rollout. The whole idea is to carefully move your money from that unproductive asset, your house, into something that's built to work for you. Here's the game plan. Step 1 is you sell your home, which unlocks that $800,000 in equity. Now, instead of just dumping it all into the market at once, you strategically move it over 4 years. $200,000 a year for 4 years. And you move it into a very specific and powerful financial tool. So, where does the money go? It goes into what's called a tax-advantaged indexed strategy, or an IUL. You might also hear it called a laser fund. Think of it like this. It gives you the potential to grow your money based on how a market index, like the S&P 500, performs. But, and this is absolutely crucial, it also protects your money from ever going backward due to market losses. And this is where it gets really interesting. Look at these protections. That 0% floor means if the market has a terrible year and crashes, you don't lose a dime, you just get a zero. You don't participate in the losses. But when the market goes up, you get to ride that wave. And the best part? All that growth and the money you eventually take out can be 100% tax-free. Plus, you're always in control. Okay, so that's the how. Now let's get to the wow. Let's look at what this strategy can actually look like in action over time, because this is where you really see the power of this whole thing come to life. Okay, let's put some numbers to this. This is a hypothetical illustration for a 68-year-old. You can see the $200,000 going in each year for the first 4 years. Now, what I want you to do is follow that account value column. See how it's growing right from the get-go? And then look at the surrender value. That's the cash you can get your hands on if you need it. Check this out. By the end of that 4th year, right after you've put the last payment in, the account value in this example has already shot up to almost $700,000. Remember, you've put in $800,000, but this is happening in a protected environment, building a huge pool of capital that's ready to go to work for you. But here's the kicker. You don't even have to wait 4 years for the magic to happen. There's this incredible turning point in these plans that happens way earlier. We're talking about the 3-year and 1-day mark. It's a critical feature designed to give you access to your money fast. Think about this for a second. You're just a little over 3 years in. You haven't even made your last $200,000 contribution yet, and you could already have access to over $600,000. That's the kind of liquidity and flexibility we're talking about. In just over 3 years, you've built this massive, accessible financial resource.
So big numbers on a page are great, but what does this actually mean for your life, for your retirement? This is where we go from the hypothetical to the real world and what a lifetime of this kind of financial freedom actually looks like.
Because really, the end goal is income, right? All that cash value you've built up can now be used to create a steady stream of tax-free income for as long as you live. You do it by taking loans against the policy. And since they're loans, they're not considered income, so they're tax-free. In this case, that could be over $65,000 a year, every single year. Remember that income gap we talked about? Well, this is how you can completely wipe it out. And the benefits don't stop with just the income. This whole strategy is built on what you could call triple layer protection. First, you get protection from market downturns. Second, you get that consistent, flexible income. And third, you get these incredible long-term benefits, like leaving a legacy for your family, and even what are called living benefits you can use if you get seriously ill.
So let's just do a quick rundown. You've got protection, check. That 0% floor means your principal is safe from market risk. You've got growth potential, check. You get to capture the market's upside. You have tax-free access, check. You can borrow that money for anything you want. You get living benefits, check. So you can accelerate your death benefit for major health issues. And finally, you leave behind a tax-free legacy. I mean, it really covers all the bases.
But out of all these incredible features, this one might just be the most important. This is not a plan where you lock your money away and lose control. No way. You are in the driver's seat. You decide when to turn on the income. You decide how much to take. You decide if you need a lump sum for an emergency. It's your money, and this whole thing is designed to keep you in control of it. So I'll just leave you with this question. As you think about your own financial picture and you think about all that wealth just sitting inside your home, doesn't it make sense to at least see if a portion of that could be working a whole lot harder for you to give you the protection, the income, and the flexibility you've earned for your retirement? It's definitely something worth thinking about.